Hi guys. Okay, today we are going to be unboxing a brand new subscription to me. It is LashyBox. Now, if you're unfamiliar, LashyBox is $13.99 and you do pay for shipping. It is $2.65 for shipping. So altogether my total was like $16.64. But it is a monthly box, and you do get lashes, and a lot of times they do add other things. Now, I did see a spoiler for this. This is the October box. I did see a spoiler, and that is the reason I signed up. But let's just jump right into it. It comes in this cute, cute little box with lashes all over it. And you open it up, and this is what it looks like. So right on the front, we have 4 pairs of lashes. Okie dokie. And they are LashyBox brand. The first pair is the LashyBox 3D Silk Lashes in JoJo. Look like this, very, very pretty. Ooh, I love those. Those will be great for like a dramatic look or Halloween because that is coming up. And then these are the 3D Silk Bombshell lashes, which look like this. Not as long as these ones. These ones have a little more dimension to them. And then we have the Baby Boo, which I love. These are like my favorite lashes to wear, the ones that have like the spikes and stuff. These are some of my favorite, and I'm excited about that. I've never tried their lashes, so hopefully they're good. Ooh, and this one's October, which these are like the perfect lashes for a full glam look. They are very fluffy, if you can see. Super excited about that. I love lashes, so hopefully I like those lashes. I can let you guys know. But after we move the lashes, we have this in there, which is, ooh, this is the Pop Zombie Ruby May Cosmetics 9-color eyeshadow. Like, look at that. I love the packaging. I love the bright yellow. Comes in a sleeve. Ooh, and I love that the cover is the same as the sleeve. Let's open this up. Ooh, okay. It comes with a mirror, and then these are the shades. Yes, please, right up my alley. Let's do some swatches. Okay, and these are the shades. The first one we have is Virus, Brains, Corpse, which is a really pretty shimmery green, Plague, which is another green, Pop, which is the pink, and then we have Pus, which is the yellow, which is very fitting. Then we have Undead, Necro, and Ghoul. So excited about that. I love these colors, and they are super, super soft, and this is like one swipe for each of these. So excited to give that a try, and I love that it comes with the mirror, and I love the yellow packaging. This is really good. I would be very excited to see how much this retails for, because so far, for a $13.99 box, this is amazing. And then it's got some bubble wrap. Oh, and there's more in here. Okay, so we have this, which is, oh, this is a sample of Eyelash Glue. It is Eyelash Glue Natural Rubber Latex, 2 milliliters. It's just a black lash glue. We'll definitely give that a try. And then we have this, which I don't know what this is. It says made in China, and that's all it says on it. Let's open this up. What the heck happened here? Okay, so mine came broken, whatever it is. It's missing a piece, and it is broken. Not a big deal, but I don't know what these are, for one. Okay, these are fangs. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. They're fangs, so they clip, like they stick into your mouth. Let's see, there's instructions right here. It says, take a cup of hot water, 80 to 100 degrees, transfer 7 to 8 particles, which I'm assuming these are the particles, into water until the particles become soft and transparent. Take out the softened gum with a small spoon, shake off the moisture, do not touch with your hands. Avoid scalding. Use a small spoon to fill the gum in the denture's bedding slot and press it onto your real teeth. To remove, gently push your lower teeth forward against the backside of the fang tips. Wiggle and pull gently from the top until they loosen up. Your fangs will now clip on and off easily, yet fit snug. One tooth is done, repeat the steps above to complete another tooth. It says, note, soften the gel, do not touch the skin and soft tissue so as not to scald. Do not put much gelatin, otherwise it will overfull the scalded scalded. When the denture is pressed on the true tooth, the denture will be removed after the gel is solidified. Wait a few seconds, you can take it off. Take it off freely, it fits perfectly. So that is great for Halloween coming up, and I'm assuming what broke was the little case that they're supposed to sit in, you know, so you can reuse them, but mine, as you can see, the clasp is broken. You know, honestly not mad at that. I love doing special effects makeup, as you guys know, so this will come in handy. I mean, maybe we can use them up. You guys, so for $13.99 a month, we got a pair of fangs. Not bad. Not bad, granted, it is October, and then we got 4 pairs of lashes. Again, not bad at all. We got a sample of lash glue. Okay, so I love how these stack into one another. This will make it super easy to store these. We got a pair of a thing of lash glue and an eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is the thing I am most excited about, but oh my gosh, you guys. $13.99. This box is amazing. I will have a link at the top of the description box. Definitely go check it out if you're interested. You guys can get this eyeshadow palette. For me, this eyeshadow palette is completely worth it. I don't know, like, just from the swatches, that looks amazing, and the colors are amazing. I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this something worth keeping? Would you guys like to see this unboxed again? But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And 3 times a week is not enough for you, and you want to see more of my lovely face, or you want to see how I use those fangs, follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter for a little more behind-the-scenes look at my life. It gets a little crazy, but that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.